On guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's doing well. I hope everybody's blessed. Today we have the Cobra bumper behind me that I picked up in last week's video. I have to fix some broken tabs on this. Now, I've never done this before. I asked for some advice from a couple people, so I'm kind of just winging it. So I don't know if I'm doing it properly or not, but I got one side already done, and I figured I'd film the other side for you guys just in case you guys need to do something like this. It might be pretty common, it might not. I don't really know. But let me show you guys what I'm working with, and I'll go over with you guys what I have and what you'll need to do this. Guys, this is my 98 Cobra bumper. It's actually a 97, but it's for my 98 Cobra. So, as you can see, well, this is what we started out with right here. This floppy tab. Now, these tabs are very important because they would get your grill gap. So you definitely don't want these broken. So what I've been doing is I've been plastic welding it. Now, I don't know if I'm doing this properly or not, but it seems pretty sturdy. Like, I don't want to like yank on it because it's still pretty hot because I just got done doing this side. So I want to wait for it to fully cure and, harden and everything. But so pretty much I got this plastic welder from Harbor Freight, which was $20. Can't beat that. And what I'm doing with these fine automotive equipment right here, and yes, I know guys, this is a paper clip, but this is going in our bumper. So pretty much what I'm doing is I'm bending this into like an S, and then I'm melting it into the bumper just to give it some support, like metal support, because I don't want to just put the plastic welding rods and that's it. I want to enforce it a little bit, so I'm actually melting this into the bumper. And then once you have this melted into the bumper, I'm going over it with the plastic rod, which is right here. So pretty much all this is just plastic. And when you put the hot iron on it, it melts it and you kind of just fill it in. I mean, I don't know if I'm doing it properly, so don't judge, but I need to get these tabs from being like this to being like that. So I mean, I'm doing whatever I can for it. It's pretty sturdy. Like, I could honestly probably pick the bumper up by that tab. I'm not going to, but I probably could. When I go to put it on, I'm just going to be very careful. But, yeah. I mean, at the end of this video, you guys will see this bumper on the car. So, we'll see how it fits. But I'm not making any guarantees that I did this properly or not. But it does seem pretty sturdy. It seems like it might work. So, yeah. I'm going to keep going here. And I'm going to bend this S, get it, melted into here and start filling it with plastic again. So show you guys what it looks like when I'll show you what it looks like when I get like the paper clip in there and like a little bit of plastic over it to hold it in place. So I got a quick update for you. I got the tab in place. Obviously I'm going to trim these off. This was just to hold it with pliers while I push down with the hot iron. The tab is in place. So I'm going to continue to go around and fill with the plastic rod. Try to fill it in the best I can. Like I said, guys, I really don't know what I'm doing with any of this, but this tab seems to be pretty sturdy. So I guess I did something right. I really don't know. I don't care what it looks like because the hood comes down to here, so you'll never see this unless the hood's open. And to be honest with you guys, like if I come across a cleaner Cobra bumper, I will buy it. But for now, I just want a bumper on the car so I can get the fog lights lined up and everything. So this is what we're working with. Unfortunately, this one had ripped tabs. It is what it is. I got a really good deal on the bumper, so I can't really complain. But it's pretty solid, so I really don't think we're going to have an issue. I mean, I guess time will tell. We'll figure it out as we go. But I'm going to keep going, keep filling with plastic weld here, all along the crack, which obviously you could see some light through right there. So I'm just going to continue to fill that in and keep going, and I'll pick you guys up when I move to the inside. All right, guys, so I finished both sides. It doesn't necessarily look pretty, but If it gets the job done, that's all that matters. I can't pull the tabs off, so I take it we're probably good. Like, they're pretty solid. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna try to get the bumper on the car, and I'll let you guys know. Let's see what happens. All right, guys, so we do have a bumper. Doesn't look the best, at least where I plastic welded, but it's not gonna go anywhere. It's pretty damn sturdy. So as you can see, bumper don't move whatsoever. So it's all tight, it's on 100%. What I'm about to do now is tack weld my hood pin nuts in place because I don't want those backing off on me while I'm driving. But yeah, guys, so we're definitely making progress here. I got like an Oreo, black and white, but it's all good. But yeah, so we have a complete car. We have body panels everywhere. We're not missing any. I have the fog lights over there, which I'm gonna make brackets for in just a little bit. And yeah, we're gonna get this thing done, man. So yeah, quick video, guys. I just wanted to plastic weld the bumper with you guys. I know I didn't go like too in depth, but it was my first time doing it. I really didn't know what the hell I was doing, if I'm being honest with you guys. But I got it done. I did my best, and it's gonna work, at least till I can find a better bumper or buy a new one. But yeah, so if you guys like what you saw in today's video, please drop a like up on this video, drop a comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you guys in next week's video, Friday, 12 p.m. Peace out.
Suspects are in custody this afternoon, now facing charges after a police-involved shooting in Newark overnight.
After the overnight shootout between officers and at least 2 gunmen. People nearby describing the scene around midnight as a tense standoff. Investigators say Newark officers had been patrolling the area when they confronted the suspects, one of them pointing a gun at the officers.